Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 5 says to build a dog toy storage box, 8 wooden slats are needed, each cut to measure 1 3/5 feet in length. Can all 8 of these be cut from a 10-foot board? So I'm going to use multiplication to help me answer this question. If each of the wooden slats are 1 3/5 feet, I can multiply that by 8 and then compare that number to the 10-foot mark. If it's over 10 feet, then I'm not going to be able to cut all 8 of them. Or if it's under 10 feet, then I will be able to cut all 8 of them from the 10-foot board. And so I'm going to take 1 3/5 and I'm going to multiply that by 8. And so first I'm going to transform this to an improper fraction. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 8 back over 5 times, I'm going to write 8 as a fraction by putting it over 1. And then I'm just going to multiply across the top. 8 times 8 is 64, and multiply across the bottom. 5 times 1 is 5. And then I'm going to transform this back to a mixed number. So I'm going to take 64 and divide it by 5. 5 divides into 6 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Drop down the 4. 5 divides into 14 twice. 2 times 5 is 10, leaving me with 4 out of 5. And so we already see this as a 12. So 64 out of 5 would be 12, and remainder of 4/5. So I would need 12 4/5 feet of board to cut all 8 of them. And the board is only 10 feet long, and so the answer to this is no, I would not be able to cut all 8 from the 10-foot board.